Hello, I'm Amaryllis. Today I will show you how you can create photo frames out of toilet paper rolls and cardboard. To make the photo frame shape, you will need a piece of cardboard and 4 toilet paper rolls. Take the first roll, press it flat, and with the help of a ruler, you mark a 50-degree angle on one side of the roll. Then cut the cardboard following the line and cut the cardboard roll again following the pleats to have 2 identical pieces. Place the paper roll pieces next to each other and tape them together. You can use masking tape or I will use craft tape. Craft tape is very useful for this project as you can paint on it. If you don't have craft tape, do not worry, it works just fine with masking tape. And if you like to buy some craft tape, I will give you the link in the description of the video. And you repeat these steps with the other 3 toilet paper rolls to create the 4 sides of the photo frame. To make the back of the photo frame, you need to cut a square of 19 cm side. You can see that the length of the cardboard square is almost the same as the length side of the toilet paper rolls, and I drew another square inside which is at 5 cm distance from the square edges. Next step is to fix the toilet paper rolls on the cardboard back. To do so, I will use the craft tape. Again, you can use masking tape. Cut pieces of tape and assemble the toilet paper roll pieces one by one. Use the square you draw on the cardboard to align the edges of the toilet paper roll pieces. Once the first toilet paper roll is fixed with the cardboard back, you repeat the process to create the complete shape of your cardboard photo frame. If needed, you can trim the tip of the toilet paper roll on the corner. This is how the photo frame looks like at this point. As you can see, the corners are not perfect, so I will use little pieces of craft tape to cover them. You can also use pieces of newspaper with glue to cover the frame and give it a nice and smooth finish. Once you are happy with the frame shape, you can start giving it the finish you like. I will apply a coat of acrylic paint and then I will glue paper napkin on it. You can give your frame the finish you like, paint, embellishment, fabric gluing, anything. I would love to hear your ideas how to decorate your cardboard photo frame, so please let me know in the comment. Once the paint is dry, you can apply the paper napkins on it. Take the first layer of the napkin, the one with the pattern, cut out a piece that fit the frame shape and glue it using varnish glue. Let the glue dry and apply a varnish coat for a better protection. Have fun trying different napkin patterns. Grab your favorite photos, cut them into the right side and use double-side tape to fix them into the frame. Look how cute is it? If you want to hang the frame on the wall, you can just glue a command hook on the back. And if you want to display your frame on a console table or a piece of furniture, I will show you how to do so. Cut a cardboard square of 15 by 15. Trace a line in the square center and then trace a triangle. Then cut the cardboard following the triangle shape. Use the utility knife to mark the center line so it's easy to fold the cardboard. And as you can see, you have now a shape that will help you hold your frame and to display it on any piece of furniture you like. Just place the triangle cardboard shape on the back of the frame and use a glue gun to fix both together. Hold while the glue dries and try to align the triangle in the center of the frame, and the bottom of the triangle need to be aligned with the bottom of the frame too. And that's it. Enjoy your new photo frame. Let me know in the comment which frame finished is your favorite, and please like and follow for more easy craft and DIY ideas.